Welcome to Tax Chit Chat, the place where we talk all things tax all the time. So it's late 2021 and you missed some of your 2020 stimulus payments, aka stimulus money, stimmy checks, economic impact payments, or EIP as the IRS likes to refer to them. Is there a way for you to still get your money? The short answer is yes, and in this video, I'll tell you how to get the IRS to give you the missed money. But more importantly, we'll talk about if you will actually receive the money or how the IRS could try and keep it for past due bills like unpaid child support or back taxes a person owes. So first things first, how is the missed stimulus money paid? Well, if you miss getting the money in 2020, it is too late to have the IRS give it to you as an outright check or debit card. Those days are gone. So the only way to get the money now is to file a 2020 tax return and claim the recovery rebate credit. The 2020 tax return can be filed from now until forever, but we suggest filing it before April 15th, 2024. The reason for this is that refunds not claimed within 3 years from the due date of the return, in this case April 15th, 2021, become property of the US government and are not paid out to taxpayers. Next, how do you calculate the credit? Most people know that the stimulus payments for single taxpayers were $1,200 or $600 paid in 2020, and then the $1,400 one paid in early 2021. So we won't waste time talking about how to convert stimulus payments into the credit, or if you are even eligible to claim the credit in this video. That's because we covered both of these items in this video. So we encourage you to check it out once you finish this one. But suffice it to say, once the credit amount is calculated, you will enter it on your 2020 Form 1040, line 30, the recovery rebate credit line. So, the million-dollar question which you want answered, do you actually get the money? So as I stated earlier, the money isn't going to come as a separate payment. The amount will be embedded as part of the tax return. And this is important because it means a couple of things. First, the bad news. Your stimulus tax credit can be used to offset state or federal debts, like past due state taxes, child support, or an overpayment for federal benefits. If this happens, you'll get a letter notifying you so that you know why you didn't get the full credit. But now for the good news. For those of you who may have IRS debt, the credit cannot be used to offset unpaid federal taxes owed for tax years prior to 2020. However, if you owe taxes for tax year 2020, meaning the taxes shown on the 2020 tax return, the credit amount will go towards reducing that bill. For example, if you have a tax bill of $1,000 after preparing your 2020 return, and you qualify for a recovery rebate credit worth $600, then your tax bill will be reduced by $400 because the $600 credit gets applied against the $1,000 tax bill. This handy little chart provides a nice summary of how all three stimulus payments work with regards to what debts your stimulus can and cannot be used for. So make sure you check the description of this video as I've put the link to the blog post it was originally published in down below. And until we meet again, always remember to keep earning, keep learning, and just like that, this chat is adjourned.